Today I'm going to show you how to create events in Google Calendar quickly and correctly, whether you want to add a meeting, reminder, appointment, or all-day event. This is a simple skill, but once you know the fastest way to do it, you can save a lot of time and keep your schedule organized. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once your calendar loads, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the Create button, usually shown as a plus sign. Click that button and from the menu that appears, choose Event. This opens the full event creation window where you can enter all the details for your calendar item. Now, if you want an even faster method, you can also click directly on any empty time block in the calendar grid. This is especially useful if you already know the exact time you want to book. When you click an empty slot, Google Calendar will open a quick add box so you can start creating the event right away without having to go through the full menu. Next, type a title for your event. This is the name that will appear on your calendar, so make it clear and easy to recognize. For example, you might enter something like Team Meeting, Doctor Appointment, Project Deadline, or Lunch with Sarah. A good title helps you instantly understand what the event is when you look back at your schedule later. After that, adjust the date and time. If your event happens at a specific hour, make sure the start and end times are set correctly. You can also switch it to an all-day event by selecting the all-day option or checking the all-day box, depending on the layout you're using. This is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or events that last the whole day instead of just a few hours. Now, you can add extra details to make the event more useful. If other people need to attend, enter their email addresses in the Guests section. Google Calendar can send them an invitation so they can respond directly. You can also add a location if the event takes place somewhere specific, like an office, restaurant, or meeting room. And if you want to include notes, instructions, or a meeting agenda, use the description field to add all of that information in one place. Once everything looks good, take a moment to review the event details carefully. Check the title, date, time, and any guests or location information before saving. This helps avoid mistakes and makes sure the event shows up exactly how you want it to. When you're ready, click Save. Your event will now be added to Google Calendar and will appear on the date and time you selected. If you invited a guest, they'll receive the notification as well. And that's it. You've successfully created an event in Google Calendar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.